Looking to protect your heart? Here are 5 foods you should avoid and what to eat instead. Save this video before it disappears. First up, red meat like beef, lamb, and pork. These meats are packed with saturated fats that can raise your cholesterol and put your heart at risk. Try leaner options like chicken, turkey, or go plant-based with tofu and beans. Next, those tempting pastries and baked goods. Loaded with sugar, refined grains, and unhealthy fats, they can spike your blood sugar and pile on the pounds. Bad news for your heart. Opt for whole grain treats or satisfy your sweet tooth with fresh fruit instead. Full-fat dairy is another culprit. Whole milk, cheese, and cream are high in saturated fats, which can raise your cholesterol and hurt your heart. Switch to low-fat or plant-based dairy alternatives like almond milk or soy yogurt. Snack foods like chips, they're packed with salt, unhealthy fats, and refined carbs, contributing to high blood pressure and weight gain. Reach for heart-healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or whole grain crackers instead. Finally, alcohol moderation is key. While a little may be fine, too much can lead to high blood pressure and heart issues. Stick to recommended limits or opt for non-alcoholic drinks to keep your heart happy. Swap out these heart-harming foods for healthier alternatives and keep your heart in top shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heart-healthy tips.